that do you agree there's one God, sister?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree that no one else deserves to be worshipped but that Almighty God?
Okay.
Do you believe that God has got no image?
Yeah.
Yes, you believe that. That's it. So you believe God has got no statue?
Yeah.
Do you believe that He's the messenger of Almighty God?
Yes, I do.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuhu.
I bear witness. I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad
that Prophet Muhammad
is
is
the messenger
the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and messenger and servant of Allah.
MashaAllah, sister.
Thank you.
Now you're a Muslim, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala